Hi everyone, welcome in Startup Founder Lab, and today we will be talking about Zagadkomat. So basically this is more like a hobby project about some riddles like Sudoku, Kakuro, Slitterlink, Hikari, etc. And currently it's available in different languages. Of course there's Polish and English one, with some basic configuration and of creation your account, signing in, as well as everything is also available for free. So this is available on this website, so feel free to check it out. And basically let me show you what is here. So currently I've added only a couple of Sudokus, and some of them already agreed upon with the Polish national, let's say, league, and that is responsible for organizing Sudoku championship. And of course we have some random puzzles. The main goal of this was that those puzzles are actually not generated. So they are literally taken, for instance, from this, those are the Polish National Championship in Sudoku from 2025. As well as there are some others. So there are some categories. For instance, we can go here. We have 17 different Sudokus available. Let's say, for instance, we're going to take anti-night. So this is the anti-night Sudoku. I need to, of course, finish some of the translations here. But basically, this is the anti-night Sudoku, which is a special pattern. And of course, someone can normally walk with their arrows, as well as turn on the tournament mode without any suggestions. And of course, provide their own notes. Maybe fill all of them, do some undos, start a new game, etc. So those are all of the things that are available. And of course there's a direct link to the category from which it was taken, so to give the credits to the creators. So currently we have only Sudoku working with this checking of them. They are available in the database, people and user can log in. And actually this is the basic information. I have already prepared a couple of others, started working on those different categories, but I have already prepared a couple of additional features like a leaderboard and the progress, so kind of to have some more analytics, some achievements, skill progression, as well as tracking, etc. And so kind of having this basic part, kind of improving maybe based on the chesscom. So I would strive it to be like the one for all the more advanced riddles, as well as the history and of course the tournaments. So this is of course the goal, and of course the settings. Many of the things are coming soon, as I focus mostly on the Sudoku, but I will probably try to add those other features hopefully soon. And basically that's it. This is more like a hobby project with the very initial version. Everything is hosted on Vercel with Next.js config and Supabase, so pretty basic stuff. And currently, let's say the main issues that I'm kind of having is whether to go more into adding more and more Sudokus and more puzzles, or go more into implementing the features. But I think I will probably try to finish the puzzles that I've already obtained got the agreement to use, and probably try to implement them in the system, and then of course go into the full implementation of the other features. So there are still a couple of more left, but of course the others will be coming soon as I hopefully will be able to ask the owners to give me this possibility. And basically that's it. So this is like a short demo of the 001 version, and thank you.